In just a matter of seconds, solid ground can turn into a deadly trap. Machines sink, cars vanish, and people fight for their lives against unstoppable forces of nature. What you're about to see are real moments where the earth, water, and sky remind us who's truly in control. The images from Brazil are a frightening reminder of how quickly nature can reshape the landscape. In Alaska, melting glaciers caused water to slowly erode the riverbanks. At first, residents didn't even notice until suddenly, this happened. In Florida, the Coast Guard managed, in the very last seconds, to rescue an elderly man whose car was being dragged into the water. He didn't even realize that only by pure luck he managed to cross. Within seconds, the current became so strong that the motorcycle couldn't stay upright. At Batu Bolong Beach in Bali, the strong current with whirlpools surprised even experienced divers and surfers. A man showed with his own example how hard it is to get out of the mud, but with the right technique, it's possible. Imagine driving to work when suddenly the asphalt collapses under your car. Oh no, it's sinking. It's sinking. Luckily, the driver escaped before the hole widened. In Philadelphia, residents thought they saw just a small hole in the street. But they were wrong. Within seconds, it grew into a sinkhole over 3 meters wide. Another man thought he could cross the danger zone, but the current became stronger. He was forced to abandon his car. Later, he too was rescued.
Look at this. Look at this big one here going. Look. All in slow motion, isn't it?
Due to sudden flooding, a simple subway ride turned into a fight against nature. No one was prepared to swim home after stepping out of the trains. One of the most dangerous rapids in British Columbia is known for its uncontrollable currents. The huge whirlpool there is called the Devil's Hole. There we go, trying. Come on. It's almost impossible to escape from a swamp alone, especially for an animal. That's why when a ranger in Zimbabwe saw an impala in trouble, he rushed to help immediately. In April 2025, Ramban, India was struck by severe weather. Heavy rains triggered landslides and falling rocks, destroying part of a national highway. People on their way to work suddenly found themselves surrounded by collapsing roads and stones falling from above. Many were hanging by a thread, literally and figuratively. In Kenya, elephants could have been swallowed by mud if people hadn't acted quickly. While humans walk freely on the beach, heavy machines sink easily. Uneven weight and poor traction cause an excavator to sink into the sand. Lift the engine in the back.
¡Ay, te está dando el motor, weón! ¡Levanta la pala de atrás!
In 2020, a massive landslide destroyed 2 houses in Kentucky. A neighboring house survived, but was left hanging over an abyss, forcing the owners to move out.
Опа! Это да.
In 2023, snowmelt in Utah triggered landslides. Residents of hillside homes were evacuated and had to watch their entire lives crumble into a canyon in seconds.
Oh my gosh! What?
Стало еще интереснее. Намыло еще больше. И моет дальше. Подойдем поближе. Держится? Вон что уже как. Вон кабель из СБ. Опора держится краном. Там дальше 4 опоры упало. Ну, короче, жестоко.
Quicksand is one of the most dangerous traps on the planet. You can't drown completely in it, but escaping without help is nearly impossible. The force needed to pull out one leg is like lifting a car. Rescuers train for this, and even for them it's difficult.
It's like lifting another leg up. There you go, so that's one leg out. So now Mick can rest himself back. Hey, pal, don't you see that stand? Have a good move around with it. I want you to
It's actually the bottom.
Can you get yourself out of it there now or not? Go on, have a good go.
Go for it.
Yep. So what's nice about this is that we've got 25 or 30 metres of 25 mil holes in this.
Look at that Holy dude. What? Oh my gosh, dude. That car's gone, bro.